What's up guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So today we're filming in my office. We have natural light. It's a sunny day. I worked out this morning. I feel good. And the hair looks good and that's important. The skin's glistening. It's giving chocolate. Sorry if I keep looking over to the side. I have a mirror set up there so I can see myself, and it's such a habit to do that instead of looking at the camera. Anyway, so I'm gonna share with you guys today. I'm so hot because just the natural sun, flat iron in this hair got me hot. Anyway, I'm gonna share with you guys this beautiful unit. I know when y'all clicked on this video, you thought it was my hair because it's giving natural. It looks so good. But no, it's not my hair. This is a wig. It's from Nadula. I'm gonna have all the information in the body of the video for you guys. This is a talk through video, which is a little bit different because I normally do voiceovers, but the house is very quiet today. So I'm like, let me talk to you guys. Let's just jump into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you guys can see every time I post. I've already opened the box, but this hair is from Nadula. Let's take her out. So, this is how the packaging comes when you take it out. It has like a net over it. This is a Yaky Straight unit. It has some slight kinky edges, 150% density, 7.5 lace. This is a glueless unit. It is the pre-plucked, pre-cut, everything is done for you already. I'm gonna put on my head so we can see how it initially looks, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna still add my foundation to the lace part just to darken that up so it matches more seamlessly. I think the straps are already pretty good. Oh, this is snug. Like snug in a good way. Like this fits my head really, really good. My edges back in. This is it when I first throw it on. See, this is beautiful. It literally gives the vibe of like when you just get a fresh perm. I'm gonna flip the wig inside out, and I like to use Infallible. It's a powder foundation. It's shade Ebony, and just a little makeup brush and paint inside. Look at this. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Got2b spray and just kind of just like slightly comb my edges back. Okay, I was able to locate a wig cap, so we have one on now. I actually went and took a different gel and kind of slicked the front back because the Got2b glued was just not doing it for me. Let's put her back on. I did want to mention too, there's a really good grip band on this that kind of aids in the comfort of the unit. So I also wanted to show you guys the slight kinky edges right there, which will just add like a more natural look. I'm not gonna do baby hairs or anything. I think I've been liking units without baby hairs a bit more of late. But what I am gonna do, it's glueless, but I do wanna just put a little bit of spray because I am going out. This is just a band. This hair is not from Unice. I repeat, it's not from Unice. It's from Nadula. I just didn't have a band from them, so I'm just using whichever one I found. But this hair is not from Unice. All right, so let's remove this. See what we have here. Just wanted it tacked down a little bit. Natural edges. Yeah, that's melted. And just go along my hairline, because we want this to be undetectable, you feel me? Over here is fine, not too concerned about there. I think we're good. My hair is already really good, not styled yet. So I know this is gonna be very, very quick. This is actually my first time trying this Wow spray. I've heard so much about it, and of course I'm trying it on a weave, but this is very Yaky Straight and it's hot outside, so if it works on this, do I even care if it works on my hair? Not really, as long as it works on my units. So I'm just spraying this. Oh, it kind of stinks. First pass through, let's see. Ooh. So I don't know how far up I can get on this part, but I don't even care because I'm gonna use my flat iron. I mean, hot comb. Yaky Queen. Tis, babes. What am I talking about? I'm just so hyped, y'all. We love good hair. And this is truly 150% density, because I've had some units before where it says that, and that shit is just thin. But she is thick. Bomb stick. Alright. I do have flyaways on the top. It's funny how I kind of just discovered this hack, because I always would have lumps at the top of my wig, and I'm like, how do you remove that? And I'm like, that's because I didn't follow all the 10 steps. Flat. I forgot what I was talking about. But I do want to like just kind of trim it up a little. Normally go part it in the center, like so. Brush out the ends. And then do my first snip just here. There, and then they match. And then for the front, just gonna comb it and just add a little bit of layering. And just do the same to the other side. And this is a great technique for, like, you know, if you're not a pro at cutting, which I'm not, it just adds more dimension to the hair without going too crazy. Like, I would never attempt like layers and stuff. I just buy a layered wig because I don't know how to do that. Okay, so this hair, I know I said that like earlier in the video, but this hair, I think this is one of the best Yaky Straight wigs I've ever gotten, like, babes. And the lace, like, this is what you call a pre-plucked lace. Look at the body. Like, this is truly, truly undetectable. Oh my God, I'm like freaking in love. Looking here, just like, girl, it's just black. It's natural black. It's not a weird ashy brown. It's not off black, black, blue, black, black. It's natural black. All right, and that's literally it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have a special video coming next that I'm excited about. I don't know if I should spill the beans or not, but pretty much the Yankee twist that you guys always like, I found dupes to it. Keep in mind though, a lot of these companies on Amazon that are using my photo, like, I have not tried the hair yet, so don't trust them. I've only gotten that hair from Crochet Braids Plus, but I did find another brand and I wanted to give it a try, and it's way, way cheaper. But all those companies keep stealing my pictures, my videos, and I never sampled their hair. So just keep that in mind, because a lot of you guys asked me and I don't want you to go buy something and like, I wasn't wearing that. I did not review that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, subbing, commenting, always supporting me. I love you guys, and I will see you next week.